How to change email address in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to see a section called Account Settings. Simply tap on Account Settings. So now, we are in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see all your profile information. Here, there's a section of email too. Now, in order to edit it, simply tap on this edit button here on the right. Now, you can edit your email easily. So here, enter the new email and you'll be able to verify it by receiving an email. And after verifying the email, you'll be able to change it easily. Later, it will be the default email that you can use having another password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.